Hey guys, I just wanted to give you guys a quick little update about why I haven't been posting and working and all that. I did stop posting for a little while in summer because I took a vacation for like the ending of summer. And of course school has been taking up my schedule and stuff. But I just wanted to update you guys so you guys know why I haven't been posting on all that. I did upgrade my mask, and now I think it looks a lot nicer. We have moved some things around in the chicken coop. So the quail coop is still the quail coop. They stayed in the same space. But that's the boy, so he has to stay there. Otherwise, he's just going to cause trouble up here. So they have to be isolated. The coop is still pretty much the same. Oh, of course. Of course, there's an egg down here. Well, would you look at that? And there's white on it? That's weird. But, well, that's there. Actually, I'm going to put that in this area right here. I'll just put that there and get it later. But anyways, we did change around the setup. So the turkeys and the ducks, we sold them to someone, sadly, because they were just big. And we didn't really have too many spaces for them. And the ducks were messy and all that. But now we have used the duck area for the silkies, and only the silkies, just because they're fluffy, and some of these guys would like peck and like keep them from eating. So they live here now. Chickens still live in the chicken run. You know, all that stayed the same. But we just didn't want to have to do all the extra work keeping the turkeys and the ducks, but we are just having them like this for now. Good news is soon, like probably sometime in September, sometime in September, we are getting a dozen of silky eggs that are fertile. So we are hoping. So none of our silkies have gone broody yet, so they won't hatch any eggs. They don't lay any eggs yet either. But we will try to incubate them and hatch them so we would have more baby silkies. But the one thing is about them is it's going to be really fun having to silky proof this whole area, because they're that small that they would definitely come through there no matter how old they are, except for like if they're their size right now. But yeah, that's my little update for you guys. So I might only be able to post on weekends, or like Fridays or weekends, because you know, school and I've been busy and all that stuff. But that's really it. I went on a little vacation in the summer. Yeah, I updated this. That's my whole little update for you guys. and the area is smaller, so I'm definitely gonna bonk myself on this netting, but that's alright. Oh, here we go. This is Tafiti. We don't know what. Oh, ma'am. Hey. Okay, she does not like to be held. Not all that much, but we're not 100% sure. But we think she's a gray silky. You have to Google silky types because I don't know how else. But she's a gray, kind of obvious. You can kind of tell. Stop fighting. Be next. Alright, next one. I'm definitely gonna do her. This is Taka. We think is a gold birchin because of all this gold around her neck. And she's really nice. She's a hen. So is Tafiti. Tafiti's also a hen. She's really nice and we really like her. She's really nice. And we do have to trim their hair. If you ever own silkies, you have to trim their hair. We haven't done it yet. We have to trim their face fluff because that will make it harder for them to see. So it's a vital part of owning silkies is to trim their face fluff a lot. And I'm not saying just like once every really long time. You have to trim it a lot because that's pretty fast. I don't know exactly how fast. Google all of this because I don't know your name. I want to see if I can catch the rooster and then I'll try to catch one. This is our one and only rooster of silkies. Now, oh, buddy. Whoa. This is Maui. He's like a dark blue or dark gray. Oh, buddy. He just ran into the fence. But he's really nice. He's our one and only rooster, that is. But he's pretty nice as long as he's not angry. That's Maui. Okay, I've got the 3. I have 2 more to do. I'm gonna say one of my favorites for last. She's not my favorite, but she's one of my favorites. All of them are. Alrighty, guys, this is Moana. She's a hen, and we think she's gonna turn out to be a splash. These dots, like on her back, usually will like spread out, and she'll be like a splash, so a half black, half white. She's really nice, and she's one of my favorite silkies here. I mean, they're all my favorite because they're silkies and they're adorable. I like the chickens too, but you know, the silkies are absolutely adorable. So I'm about to get to the last one, and she's really pretty. So I'll get to you with that one. Chickens fighting, but you can see her face. And before I move back to the chicken area, a little known fact about silkies. I mean, I don't know if it's that little known or anything, but a fact about silkies is that their skin is black and they have blue earlobes. I just thought that might be fun to share. So I'm gonna move back to the chicken area, catch a few more, and then that'll be the rest of the video for the day. That's all. I will see you guys over there. Back in the chicken area. We had a nice change of scenery with the forest in the back instead of the quail. I know, they're cute. It's just muggy in there, so we're gonna enjoy this nice you know, the thing about chickens, they like to dust bathe quite a lot. Sorry, I covered the camera. But they do like to dust bathe. So our chickens have been dust bathing in the same spot for a really long time. I mean, the turkeys do that too, but our chickens have been dust bathing in the same spot for a while, and this is what they have created. That's a really deep hole. That's one hole. Those are two others. This whole area is just bumpy because of all the chickens dust bathing right here. This is like one of the best dust bathing spots. Because I mean, ground, dust, connect that. You can pretty much understand that. But anyways, I think I'm gonna catch 2 more chickens. These are pretty hard to catch. I'm gonna catch 2 more. And then that'll be my 2 video for the day. You guys, I've made up my mind. I'm gonna catch 1 more. And that's gonna be my last chicken. It's gonna be one of my favorite chickens in here though. But yeah, just enjoy this beautiful view. It's really pretty here. Very nice. Consider liking and subscribing. I'm not forcing you to, but you could if you wanted. And I am probably going to only post on weekends and only like on like off days and weekends because